as a wish. My name is Suman Tiwari, and I am connecting to you, UP, quite near from Lucknow. I'm residing. And professionally, I'm a teacher. I teach in a private school, and I take tuition classes as well in my home. So there are 22 students in my home whom I teach daily. I teach English subject up to five. I teach every subject, but after that I teach every subject like English literature and like language as well both. So there are 22 students whom I teach, and I'm married with two kids. So that's all about me. Thank you.
Okay, that's great and good to meet you.
Thank you. And please introduce yourself. I want to know about yourself in nutshell.
Yeah, sure. So this is ASMS Rabon. As you can see on the screen, I am from Bangladesh. If
Mhm.
you talk about my education, so I have done masters, Department of Accounting Information